good day at school, my darlings.
Have a good day, my darling.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye, my baby.
Bye.
Bye, alligator. Bye, my baby. Let's go for a night.
Have a good day, my babies.
We will.
Have fun, you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's good, fams? We've been asked by a few of our family members if we could do a day in the life, and here it goes. Starts off with us dropping the kids off at school, as you've already seen, and now we're at school. We've been doing an apiary course, learning how to be beekeepers. So we'll take you along with us and show you what it's like to be a fucking student, eh? Let's go! So we do our course over here at the seabank. Kaitaia.
Pretty cool spot.
Our wicked spot, being able to have the bees right at the back there so we can go and check
look,
them.
that's where the garden boxes came.
Oh, there's those garden boxes. And what you're getting. I get the vouchers, you guys suss out who wants to go.
Should ask the class if it's all good if we
Yeah, just about lunchtime. Smashed out a module. Now we're going to get into some hives, so stay tuned for that one, fam. Let's go. Yeah. Every lunchtime, me and Charlotte seem to go out this way. Goes out to Aotearoa for a ride. Goes out to the beach, see what the water's looking like. Anyways, I'll turn the camera around so you fellas can see what we're looking at, eh? Let's go. Some mean ass takeaways over here. So me and Charlotte come for lunch most days. Can check out the beach and look what the visitors like. Hopefully it's nice enough for us to hit it this afternoon after we get into some hives and try and catch up some kaimoana, eh? The rest, see you when we get to the beach. Ash. A little bit of funny. Let's go. See it up.
My massive boots.
Ready to go and check the hives.
I'm checking some hives.
Let's go.
Get in there, get in there.
You're standing on the entrance.
Okay. A little one.
You got to remember when you put this this in here, when you gas them, you got to
Hold the lid.
make sure that the lid don't blow off. Okay, see they're gassed out now, and we're pretty much on that red line.
That was quick.
Yeah.
And we'll just give them a shake. We've probably put a little bit too much on there.
Just a little bit over.
Yeah.
Can you overguess them?
I don't think so. Hope not.
Oh my gosh, they're covered in honey. Will they live through this?
Yeah. Hope so.
Unreal. That's so cool. Be sticky. That nectar will stick their wings down, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, these ones look a bit more lively.
Yeah, that was probably a bit better, eh?
Yeah.
That's what it should be like. So there's no there's not even one varroa in there.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
They're
That's
clean.
good. Our treatments work. We can test another couple as well.
Is that's too stressful?
So that
We just finished looking on the other one and then we thought she'd climbed over. Is that her? Oh no. Top left? No.
no, she's not on that side.
Do you paint yours, Troy? Do you mark
Nah.
it?
Oh,
You can't be bothered or you see it
Yeah.
so quick it doesn't matter?
there she is.
Oh man. Fingers.
There she is. Oh yeah, there she is.
Too easy.
So queen fun note. Yeah.
Oh, you guys can shake the next lot of bees
Keep
in
so
and
she
do
looks
that.
different there, see? Yo. So we could be like, yep. And see where the queen is different to the rest of them.
These are pretty much cranking along pretty nicely. Like they're a full box of bees now. So, oh, look at all that pollen there. See all that pollen?
Wow.
Hold it into the light, pass that one around. That's like a real good pollen frame. Shitloads of pollen.
It's pretty.
Another frame with heaps of pollen. Fresh honey up there, around the edge of the pollen. See that?
Yummy!
I want to taste it.
So eventually they
Can't
will
wait
go
for
up.
tomorrow's
We need a straw.
so we can have a taste. Let's have a look at this thing.
Yeah, this is the colourful one.
Oh.
Let's shine it at different lights.
They're slowly starting.
Oh,
to
yeah.
do that.
Nice. Can't wait for our pawpaw.
Okay, where's our one with the queen? I'll put that back.
It's quite a bit.
Nice colour, eh? Nice deep dark colour.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's primo. So would that be public, that bucket 20 metre?
So we just picked up our nut boxes from Troy at North Tech. And we got our
nuke box.
our nuke boxes, and we got our smoker here. We're just setting it up. We're gonna go put them in their new home. Find somewhere cool to put them on the land. Lots of flowers and stuff. I'll show you what they're looking like in our boot. Safe as. All in there.
What are we up to, babe?
Putting our nut boxes in
Our
their
nuke
new
boxes.
homes. Nuke boxes in their homes.
Yeah, te whānau, just got home. So our nuke boxes. Gotta get our bees out of there, it's getting a bit warm. So let's set them up over here. Face them that way, towards the sun. And yeah, let's get the show on the road, eh? Just gonna start up our smoker. It calms them down a bit when we open it up so they don't come out swarming. Can use anything for the smoker. Cardboard. We've been using hessium sack and course. That's the best stuff.
It smells quite nice too, Edward.
And it burns nice and smoulders nice.
Bailey just looked at the camera and changed the setting.
So first burn on this thing.
Wow. Straight away, babe. Mean smoke. To make sure they have a nice clean entrance. You don't want any moisture, bugs. You need to make sure they can get out and get in without losing all the pollen. Smoke is going real nice. You hear them? Welcome! To our new hives.
So this one should have brood. And that's the eggs within the hive. And they should have some cells that will make into queens for us.
So excited to have them on our land. Come down to my greenhouse. There you have it, folks. We have bees on our whenua.
Mina, it's fun out.